Welcome to HD Camping Adventures. This week, we're exploring another small town in beautiful British Columbia, Lillooet. Stick around as we show you what you can get up to on a weekend away here in Lillooet. Hi everyone! As usual, we're kicking off our weekend adventure along the iconic Sea to Sky Highway. This is a trip we look forward to every year, and we're excited to have you join us. In this video, we'll take you along for the drive, show you the stunning scenery of Lillooet, and highlight a few local activities you won't want to miss. You can get to Lillooet a few different ways, but honestly, the Sea to Sky route is hands down our favourite. It winds through Squamish, Whistler and Pemberton, and trust us, it's not just a drive, it's part of the adventure. From downtown Vancouver, it'll take you about 3 to 4 hours, but if this is your first time doing it, don't rush. There's way too much beauty along the way to speed past. First up, Squamish. Great spot to grab a coffee and something to eat before hitting the road again. Got some time to kill? There are a bunch of awesome hikes and even a couple of cool museums if you feel like diving into some local history. Next on the route is Whistler, but not today. As much as we love it, Whistler's a trip all on its own. It's one of our favourite spots and we're definitely planning to give it the full video treatment sometime soon. Next up is Pemberton, and heads up, this is the last real chance to gas up and grab any supplies. After this, it's pretty much wilderness all the way to Lillooet. No gas stations, barely any services, and say goodbye to cell service until you get there. Plan accordingly. And somehow, the drive gets even more breathtaking from here. Think winding roads hugging cliffs, glacial rivers rushing below, and the occasional bear or deer off in the distance. But don't let the beauty distract you. This stretch isn't exactly a relaxing cruise. Twists, turns, and steep drops are all part of the adventure. Rock slides happen often too, so stay alert for debris on the road. And just like that, you're rolling into Lillooet, where the views hit hard and fast. This place easily ranks among the best scenery you'll find anywhere in BC. While Lillooet doesn't have a huge number of businesses, we'll be highlighting a few of our favourite local spots later in the video. What really brings people here is the chance to slow down, unplug, and soak in the natural beauty. Now that we've arrived at camp, it's time to get everything set up. If you're curious about the gear we're using, be sure to check out the video we've linked in the description. We go over everything in detail there. If you're coming here in the summer, get ready. It's hot. Way hotter than most places in BC. We rolled in late afternoon, so we whip up a quick snack and take the rest of the day to just chill out and settle in. Later on, we get a surprise visit from one of the locals, and if you come to Lillooet, don't be shocked if you see a bunch of these guys hanging around. Deer are everywhere here. We're up early after an awesome sleep. Before we get rolling, we'll give you a quick look around our campsite and show you how we have things set up. Obviously, nothing happens until we've had some coffee and a bite to eat. While we're waking up, so is the river. You can hear the flow picking up, and there are already fishermen out there chasing the morning bite. We take a quick walk to the river and make a new friend along the way. We believe these are marmots, but if we are wrong, feel free to let us know in the comments. Either way, you'll see lots of them around during your visit. We get changed and set off on foot for today's adventure. Today, we are stopping in at the Fort Berens Winery. We come here every year, and in our opinion, it's a must-see, especially if you're a wine lover. You can do a tasting, grab a glass, split a bottle, or snack on something light while soaking in the views. And trust us, you'll want to bring a bottle home, maybe even two, for souvenir purposes. After spending the better part of the afternoon enjoying the winery, we take a stroll through the scenic grounds, soaking in the views one last time before heading back to camp. Right now, it's feeling very hot, so after picking up some wood, we dip our feet in the water to cool down before dinner. We wrap up day 2 the right way. Steak, veggies, sweet potato, and one heck of a view. Not a bad way to end the day before crawling into the tent. Morning! It's day 3 and you already know the drill. Coffee, views, and we're off chasing another adventure. Let's go! First, we stroll across Lillooet's historic old suspension bridge, built in 1913 and now serving as a foot and bike crossing. Once the main Highway 12 connection, it's been lovingly restored and even includes bat houses beneath its wooden deck. The bridge offers more stunning views of the Fraser River, and if you're lucky, you might spot sturgeon or other fish breaching the surface below. But one of our favourite features is perched high above, a massive osprey nest, complete with its own webcam. You can even tune in online and watch these incredible birds in real time. Today, we're lucky enough to catch one of the ospreys perched on a bridge cable, enjoying a fresh catch. It's an incredible sight, watching him tear into the fish, then eventually carry the leftovers back up to the nest to share. Of course, we see more deer. Today, we're stopping in at Lillooet Brewing Company, a perfect place to grab lunch and sample some of their house-made beers. If beer's not your thing, don't worry, they also offer local wines and ciders, so there's something for everyone. It's already cooking out there, so we're loving the AC and cold drinks inside. But if you're more into roasting yourself with a view, the big patio overlooking the river is calling your name. After a fun and refreshing afternoon at the brewery, we make a quick stop in town to restock a few essentials before making the walk back to camp. And of course, we cool off in the river. Dinner tonight is a simple chicken salad, quick, light, and perfect after a hot day. We settle in by the fire as the sun dips behind the hills and let the quiet evening unfold around us. Morning everyone, it's day 4, which means it's time to pack up and head home. Always kind of a sad one for us, we never really feel ready to leave. Lillooet is one of our favourite places to visit. We've been coming here for over a decade and it never gets old. We've only scratched the surface of what this area has to offer. From fishing and hiking to boating or simply relaxing by a lake, there's something here for every outdoor enthusiast. But for us, it always comes back to one thing, the view. Before we roll out, we're giving you a quick spin through town, and who knows, maybe a little wildlife will pop up to say goodbye. If you liked this one, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's next. And hey, if you're into road trips and camping, we've got a bunch more videos waiting for you to check out. See you next time.